Got pictures.
Did you bring the gear?
Take pictures.
Oh, what?
Happy birthday, Merry Christmas. This is yours.
What?
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 This is yours. Yeah.
What?
You want to put some clothes on?
It's a Mustang.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's yours. It's all yours. Of course, you can't drive it yet.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Dad's the one who set it all up.
Does it have back seats?
Tiny ones. It's really cool out here.
You gotta watch out for that.
Dude.
The license plate says Bluff.
It does say woof, like a dog.
Awesome.
That's what the email was when Dad was talking about plates. He took a picture of the license plate and emailed it to me.
Both fried nuggets.
He saw the email in my inbox and asked what it was about.
What inbox?
My email inbox.
You smell like beer.
Sure.
You want to get in it? Sit in it?
Put some clothes on. Can we take like a 2-minute break? Reality check.